How to get a refund from Acorn. Intro. Have you ever subscribed to a streaming service only to find that it wasn't quite what you were expecting? Or maybe you signed up for a free trial and forgot to cancel, resulting in unwanted charges. Well, you're not alone. Many people have had similar experiences, and if you're one of them, you may be wondering how to get a refund from Acorn. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of getting a refund from Acorn. I'll cover everything you need to know, from checking your eligibility to contacting Acorn customer support. Why you might want a refund from Acorn. There are a number of reasons why you might want to get a refund from Acorn. Here are a few of the most common. You're not happy with the service. You're on a tight budget and can't afford the subscription. You forgot to cancel your free trial. You signed up for the wrong plan. You're moving to a different country and can't use Acorn anymore. How to get a refund from Acorn. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Before you contact Acorn, it's important to check if you're eligible for a refund. Acorn's refund policy is pretty straightforward, but there are a few things to keep in mind. You must request a refund within 30 days of your subscription start date. You can only request a refund for your most recent subscription. You will not be eligible for a refund if you have already used more than 50% of your subscription. If you meet all of these requirements, you can proceed to Step 2. Step 2. Contact Acorn customer support. You can contact Acorn customer support in a number of ways, including online chat. Visit the Acorn website and click on the Help button. Then, select Chat with Us. Email. Send an email to email address removed. Phone. Call Acorn customer support at 1-855-905-3200. When you contact Acorn, be sure to have your subscription information handy, including your email address, password, and subscription start date. Step 3. Explain your reason for requesting a refund. Once you've connected with a customer service representative, explain your reason for requesting a refund. Be polite and respectful, and provide as much detail as possible. Step 4. Wait for a response. After you've submitted your request, Acorn will review it and get back to you as soon as possible. Depending on how busy they are, it may take a few days or even a week to receive a response. Step 5. Accept your refund. Once Acorn has approved your refund, they will process it and credit your account. You should receive a confirmation email within a few days. Additional tips. Be patient. The refund process can take some time. Be polite and respectful when dealing with Acorn customer support. Be prepared to provide documentation to support your request, such as screenshots or emails. If you're having trouble getting a refund, don't hesitate to escalate the issue to a supervisor. Conclusion. Getting a refund from Acorn can be a bit of a hassle, but it's not impossible. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can increase your chances of success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.